Hi, thank you for choosing World Cinema. This is Richard, Director of Training, and in today's video we're going to go over in-stopping, or that's LG's term for factory resetting a set-top box. So in my hand I have an LG factory remote and I have an World Cinema remote. For this process we're going to require an LG factory remote. So we're going to turn the TV on with the power button. See, the TV is on, and for this process I'm going to press the menu settings button one time. This is not to be confused with the Q menu button. Press the menu settings one time. We'll wait for the menu to come up. I'm going to scroll down to the safety lock icon. Press the number 1 several times, about 10 times. We get the host diagnostic screen, and over in the right hand corner you'll see press 0 to end stop. So press 0 on the remote. It'll bring up, it says reset STB. Press over once to yes, and press enter, which is the middle button. And you'll see it powers off. At this point the box is now factory reset, or what LG likes to call it, in-stopping. So at this point you'll press the power one time, and it takes a little bit for it to come back on. You may even experience a no signal message during this process, but let the set-top box boot up. Sometimes this can take upwards to a minute. When you start seeing the colored balls start spinning there, that means the box is now booting up. Now always pick 720p resolution. This is a safe resolution for the TV and the set-top box. So next process, welcome to Easy Manager Wizard. You want to say next. Very important, zones and room numbers. If this is a Wi-Fi box, you're going to select Wi-Fi Zone 1. For most sites that are not Wi-Fi, you leave that at 0. STB zone is dependent on your TV. For this one, it's just a LG TV, LG set-top box. We're going to leave it at 0. Label, we leave that blank. Room number, highlight it and press enter to be able to change it. So this one is meeting room 1. And save it once you get your room number entered. And then select next, continue on with the configuration. It will try to start auto-tuning channels. You don't want to proceed with that process. You want to select manual ProCentric. Right arrow over to HTML. Press down for media type and right over for IP address. The IP address has your 4 boxes, which are referred to as octets. So the first octet is 172. And you can enter that with your pad once you press enter on the octet. And press OK. Again. So the IP address for just about all the ProCentric sites is 172.1.8.0.1. The IP port is going to be 80.80. and then finally you'll select search. Searching should find an IP server found, and then you can proceed with the programming. Now we'll download the necessary files from the server, and then once this is complete, your set-top box should be ready to function and the guest room will be back online.